Hello. So today we are going to see how to send a WhatsApp bulk marketing message using WACTO. Basically, for sending a bulk WhatsApp marketing message, we will be needing two things. One is the content which we have to send to our customers, and second is the contact list of whom we are going to send all this content. So initially, we will see how to get approval for a message template content. So once the dashboard is logged in, on the left side you will be able to find this template option. So click that, you will be able to find the manage templates. Click manage templates, and once you open that, on the left side you will be able to see this add new template. Kindly select this, so the template creation page will appear. After that, make sure that your mobile number is selected in this channel, and after that you have to type the template name. The rules for typing the template name would be, you have to type your template name in lowercase, and you have to make sure that you are following the rules that we have mentioned in here. So now I am typing the template name. I am giving it as video testing, and in the template category I am selecting it as marketing. And after that, let the template type be none, and in the template header I am selecting media. So you can give media in case if you are going to keep your header as a document or a video or an image or a location. So I'm selecting image now. I'm selecting choose files. So I'm going to upload an image for approval. So I'm uploading a random image into the content. So after this, you'll be able to find this template format. Here you have to type the body of the text, which is basically the content which is going to appear in the template. So I am giving a one-line message. The maximum limit is up to 1024 characters. So once you have done typing the content here, in case if you need, you can add emojis to the content. If needed, you can also bold the content. So I'm also going to add a variable to this content. If needed, we can add the variable as add variable. If not, we can remove it. So after this, we can add buttons here. Every time when we approve a template, we have to make sure that we mandatorily add a stop promotion button. For adding a stop promotion button, you have to select this add quick action, and in the quick select you have to select this marketing. So we have to make sure that every time when we are approving a message template content, we have to make sure that we have the stop promotion button. The reason for why we are having the stop promotion button is, so in case if we are sending a bulk WhatsApp marketing message to our customers, and if the customers are not willing to receive our messages, so they will eventually block us. So to prevent that, we have to make sure that we are adding the stop promotion button, so that if the customer is not interested in receiving marketing messages, what will they do is they will select the stop promotion button. While selecting this, the dashboard will automatically filter their mobile numbers, and when we are executing a broadcast to the same database, the dashboard will automatically filter out the mobile numbers who have selected the stop promotion button. So in this way you can protect your mobile numbers quality health in Facebook. So we can also add additional button to this. In case if we want to add quick action button, we can add quick action, or else in case if we need to add a call to action button, a call to action mobile number button. So I'm selecting phone number here, and I'm typing call now. Call now as a button label, and I'm giving a mobile number here. We can also add call to action URL button as well. I'm selecting website here, and I'm giving visit now. We can keep any whatever the button label we want, we can use it in the button name. So I'm putting the URL link as static, and I'm giving a random URL here. Whatever the URL that you want, you can mention it in the static URL section. And once you are done with it, you will be able to see the preview here of the image which you have submitted, and the content and the buttons you have added. So once all of this is done, and make sure once the image that you have uploaded here is uploaded. So once you upload the image in the choose file, make sure you are selecting this upload media. It will be uploaded. After that, you will be able to submit the template for approval. So now the template approval is under loading. Yeah, the template has been submitted for approval. Usually 98% we will get a template approval within 2 minutes, but in a very rare scenario it may take up to 24 hours, because it has to be approved by Meta. So at that time we have to wait 24 hours to get an approval, but in most of the chances we will get the template approval within 2 minutes. So to check the status of the template after 2 minutes, on the right side in the action column, you will be able to see this refresh option. So just have to select that refresh option. After that, the template status will get updated. So since the template is approved, now we just have to look for the second thing that we need for sending a bulk WhatsApp marketing message, which is basically the contact mobile numbers. We have to upload the contact list of whom we are going to send all this content. For doing that, so now I'm going to select this message option. In this, you'll be able to find send WhatsApp message. We have to select it, and after that, now we have to upload the contact database through an Excel file. For that, we have to select this sample file here. So I'm selecting the sample file. I'm opening that. So in the sample file, so in this mobile number column, we have to enter our mobile numbers here. So for testing, I'm entering my mobile number. I'm entering 2 mobile numbers. We have to add the mobile number with 91, similar to the format I'm entering right now. So once we are done entering the mobile numbers, I'm saving this file. So after that we can close this Excel. We have to select this browse option and we have to upload the Excel file which we have just created. So I'm just approving this. I'm just going to upload this Excel file. Once it is approved, we will be able to find that uploaded file here in the numbers column. After that we have to select the message template which we are going to send. So if we select the template message, we will be able to find the select template options. In that we can find all the templates which we have approved. So in that the template which we have approved is video testing. I am selecting this video testing in the select media, and we will be able to find all the images and the files which we have uploaded. I am selecting an image which we have uploaded. We can identify the images by the name. So I am selecting an image in the media library, and after that you just have to select this send now. You can see the template preview here. You can see the picture which you have uploaded and the message and the buttons which you have added. So after that we have to select this send now button here. We can select this. So yeah, the message template is executed. Once after it is got executed, we have to wait for at least 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, we just have to go to this reports and delivery report. So yeah, in the delivery report we will be able to find this about the status of the broadcast which we have just sent. So we will be able to find, and these messages are not sent right now, and in case if it is failed, we will also be able to find the error details in the report itself. So here it says that this message is not executed to maintain a healthy ecosystem. So this is basically frequential capping. Whenever you get a error detail of 131.049, it will be a frequential capping, and there will be a dedicated video separately for frequential capping. You can check out that video. To overcome the frequential capping, we just have to send a hi from the mobile number to the WhatsApp chatbot number. So right now I'm going to give a hi to this mobile number, onboard mobile number from my WhatsApp. So after giving a hi, we can try to resend the message again. So I'm uploading it. After uploading, we have to select the template. I'm selecting an image and we can send it. Yeah, since I have given hi, this time the message template would have been received to the number. Now I'm going to check the delivery report. So you can see the same mobile number. After I have given a hi to the WhatsApp onboarding number, the message is delivered. So this is how we overcome the frequential capping, and this is how we basically send a bulk WhatsApp marketing messages. So you can see this Excel, right? In this Excel I have added 2 mobile numbers. In case if it is going to be bulk WhatsApp marketing message, you just have to add copy paste more mobile numbers to this Excel and you can upload it. So this is how we send a bulk WhatsApp marketing message through WACTO.